In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate social media links into your Wix website, whether you're aiming to boost engagement or simply make it easy for visitors to find and follow you across platforms. I'll guide you through each step to get those essential connections set up. To begin, head over to wix.com. Here, you'll find the gateway to accessing the site you wish to enhance. Log in using your account credentials. Once you're in, locate and open the editor for the specific site you want to work on. The editor is where all the magic happens. It's your toolkit to creatively build and modify your website. If you've never used it before, don't worry. It's designed to be intuitive. As you get comfortable in the editor, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where the main menu resides. There, you'll see an option labeled Add with a plus symbol next to it. Clicking on this will reveal a multitude of options for customizing your website. Within this dropdown, navigate to Social, and you'll find an option for social icons. These are the visual links that will connect your visitors to your social media profiles. Now, it's time to drag and drop the icons onto your web page. Think about where visitors naturally look for social links. Commonly, this would be in the header for immediate visibility or the footer for a clean, comprehensive summary of your online presence. Alternatively, placing them in the contact section is also a good strategy, especially if this page's purpose is to encourage further interaction. Once the icons are in place, you'll need to ensure they actually lead your audience somewhere useful. Click on the social bar or the icons you've just placed. Here, a menu will appear, giving you the option to set social links. This selection process is where you tailor the icons to align with your particular social media strategy. Upon opening Set Social Links, you'll want to click Add Icons. A list of popular platforms will display, allowing you to choose familiar names like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, now known as X, TikTok, LinkedIn, and more. Highlight the ones you use actively and want to promote, then proceed to personalize each one. For each selected icon, there's a space provided to paste your actual profile or page link. This is crucial to ensure that when someone clicks the icon, they are directed to the correct page. For instance, if you're adding Instagram, it would look something like https:/instagram.com your username. This directs users straight to your content, bridging the gap between your website and social media. Finally, once all the links are entered and checked for accuracy, click Done to save your configurations. This final step solidifies your adjustments and brings your website live with the enhancements. You've now successfully incorporated social media links. Congratulations! By following these steps, you're fostering greater connectivity and making it simple for visitors to engage with you across multiple platforms.